Introducing the Artificial Christmas Tree with the all-new digital color wheel. Now you can select any color you want to light up your tree. With the included color wheel remote control, you can now select any color you want from its spectrum, including pre-designed lighting effects. The CROSSWAVE. Fade the rainbow. Tricolor chase. Multicolor chase. Stack up. Stack down. And steady on multi. You can also control the brightness of the lights. And you can also control the speed of the lights. The beautiful artificial Christmas tree, now with the all-new digital color wheel.